What is a differential? Differential is an integral part of all four-wheelers. A differential is a system that transmits an engine's torque to the wheels. The differential takes the power from the engine and splits it, allowing the wheels to spin at different speeds. What is need of differential? At the point you might be asking, why would I want the wheels to spin at different speeds from each other? The differential allows the non-steering wheels to rotate at different speeds so the car can corner without putting undue wear on the tires. The wheel on the inside of a turn moves a shorter distance compared to the outer wheel. If the axle does not allow the wheels to turn independently of each other, the tire of one wheel will be pulled across the ground. What are the parts of differential? Drive pinion or bevel pinion, ring gear or crown wheel, differential case, differential side gear or sun gears, differential pinions or planet gears, axle shafts or half shafts, and pinion shaft or crosspin or spider. Working of differential. The input torque is mounted to the ring gear through the drive pinion, which replaces the entire differential case. The differential case is connected to both the differential side gears only through the differential pinions. Torque is transmitted to the differential side gears through the differential pinions. The differential pinions revolve around the axis of the differential case, driving the differential side gears. While the car is on a straight road, the resistance on both wheels is equal, and the ring gear, differential case, differential pinion gear, and two differential gears will replace as one unit. Construction of differential. The figure shows the basic parts of the differential used in rear-wheel drive cars. A small bevel gear called differential side gear is mounted on the inner ends of each axle. Two bevel gears are placed together to connect both driving and driven shafts at an angle of 90. The differential case is connected with two wheel axles and differential side gears. The differential case has bearings that rotate two axle shafts. Then, two pinion gears and their supporting shaft, called pinion shaft, fit to the differential case. Then, the pinion shaft meshes with two differential side gears connected to the inner ends of the axle shafts. Thanks for watching the video. For more video, subscribe to my channel.